my eyes, you were like dandelions in summertime. Always dancing round in my mind, beautiful butterfly. You're perfect in every way. There's only one choice I can make. I choose you over and over again. Only you, every day till this world ends. There's no mountain that I wouldn't climb, thing that I wouldn't try, nothing that I wouldn't do. I choose you. Only you. Spinning me all around, build me up and never come down. Slowly floating in the air along a wave of lavender cloud.
I only miss you every day. I miss your smile and the funny way you tied your shoes, left and right and round the loop. And I miss the way you crossed your arms, the things you said to make the light and cut the dark. I miss telling you my secrets. I miss knowing that you'd keep them. So won't you please come home in the morning light? Walk up on the porch, meet me there at 9 a.m. We'll drive the car in the rain, past the fork, past the place we gave up. Everything I miss so much. We can try and pick those pieces up. I miss the way you'd wake me up to talk about our middle names and where the moon goes when the sun comes out. It's so quiet around here now. And I miss the way you always burn the toast, 'cause you were busy trying to wake me up with kisses on my nose. Now I'm late everywhere I go. So please come home in the morning light. Walk up on the porch, meet me there at 9 a.m. We'll drive the car in the rain, past the fork to the place we gave up. Everything I miss so much. We can try and pick those pieces up. Every day, I miss your smile, the funny way you tied your shoes. So please come home in the morning light. Walk up on the porch, meet me there at 9 a.m. We'll drive the car in the rain, past the fork to the place we gave up. Everything I miss so much. We can try to pick those pieces up.
When you're only counting time till the continents collide, but out your window, going somewhere new, through. And the